Welcome to the audio article, Vera Rubin, The Woman Who Unveiled the Dark Universe. Imagine looking into the vastness of the night sky and realizing that most of the universe is invisible. That's what Vera Rubin did. Through persistence, brilliance, and a quiet determination, she reshaped our understanding of the cosmos and gave us the first compelling evidence of dark matter. Vera Cooper Rubin was born on July 23, 1928, in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. From the time she was a child, she was fascinated by the motion of stars across the sky. Her parents nurtured her curiosity. Her father even helped her build her first telescope, while her mother drove her to the library to borrow books about astronomy. Vera once said, "I just like to watch the stars move, and I wanted to know why." That question, why, would drive her entire career. Rubin earned her undergraduate degree at Vassar College in 1948, where she was the only astronomy major in her class. She then applied to Princeton for graduate studies, but was rejected. The university did not admit women into its astronomy program at the time. Undeterred, she attended Cornell University, earning her master's degree under physicist Philip Morrison, and later completed her PhD at Georgetown University in 1954. Her dissertation proposed that galaxies might rotate around unseen centers, an idea largely dismissed at the time. By the 1960s, Rubin had joined the staff of the Carnegie Institution of Washington, where she began her groundbreaking studies of galaxy rotation with astronomer Kent Ford. Using Ford's sensitive spectrograph, they measured the motion of stars in spiral galaxies with unprecedented precision. The results were shocking. Stars far from the galactic center were moving just as fast as those near it. According to the known laws of gravity, these outer stars should have been flung into space. The only explanation was that galaxies were surrounded by vast amounts of invisible matter, what we now call dark matter. At first, many dismissed her findings, but Rubin's meticulous data and careful reasoning left little room for doubt. Over the next 2 decades, her observations were confirmed across hundreds of galaxies. She had shown that ordinary, visible matter makes up only a small fraction of the universe. The rest, nearly 85%, is dark, unseen, and mysterious. As Rubin often said, "We know very little about the universe." I like that. It makes it fun. Despite her monumental discoveries, Rubin faced barriers as a woman in science. Early in her career, she was once forced to use the women's restroom at Palomar Observatory as her office, because women were not allowed in the main building. Yet she never let discrimination stop her. Instead, she quietly inspired change by example. She mentored countless young astronomers, especially women, and advocated for equity in scientific institutions. "There is no problem in science that can be solved by a man that cannot be solved by a woman," she told her students. Rubin's legacy continues to expand. The flat rotation curves she measured remain among the strongest evidence for dark matter, a concept central to modern cosmology. She received numerous honors, including election to the National Academy of Sciences, the Gold Medal of the Royal Astronomical Society, and the National Medal of Science. In 2020, 4 years after her death, the Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile was named in her honor, a state-of-the-art telescope designed to map the dynamic universe she helped reveal. Vera Rubin passed away in 2016 at the age of 88. Her influence endures every time astronomers look deeper into the cosmos, searching for the unseen forces she first brought to light. She once said, "The joy of discovery is certainly the liveliest that the mind of man can ever feel." Through her work, Vera Rubin shared that joy with the world and forever changed how we see the universe. Thank you for listening, and I hope you've enjoyed learning about this remarkable woman who uncovered the dark side of the cosmos.